I'm excited to welcome you to this comprehensive course on AI 900 Azure AI Fundamentals. In this training, we will explore the world of artificial intelligence, AI, and understand how AI solutions are built and implemented using Microsoft Azure AI services. This course is designed for beginners starting their AI journey, business professionals exploring AI use cases, IT professionals wanting foundational Azure AI knowledge, anyone preparing for the AI 900 certification exam. Throughout this program, you will understand core AI concepts, learn about machine learning, computer vision, NLP, and generative AI. Explore Azure AI services hands-on. Prepare confidently for the certification exam. By the end of this course, you will not only be exam ready but also capable of identifying real-world AI solutions using Azure. Let's begin our journey into the exciting world of artificial intelligence with Microsoft Azure. This course introduces fundamentals concepts related to artificial intelligence, AI, services in Microsoft Azure that can be used to create AI solutions. The course is not designed to teach students to become professional data scientists or software developers, but rather to build awareness of common AI workloads and the ability to identify Azure services to support them. The course is designed as a blended learning experience that combines instructor-led training. Congratulations! This certification is an opportunity for you to demonstrate knowledge of machine learning and AI concepts and related Microsoft Azure services. As a candidate for this certification, you should have familiarity with the self-paced or instructor-led learning material. This certification is intended for you if you have both technical and non-technical backgrounds. Data science and software engineering experience are not required. However, you would benefit from having awareness of basic cloud concepts, client-server applications. You can use Azure AI Fundamentals to prepare for other Azure role-based certifications like Azure Data Scientist Associate or Azure AI Engineer Associate, but it's not a prerequisite for any of them.